If you're looking for a hybrid mattress, let me recommend Nectar. But Nectar does offer 4 different models on their hybrid mattresses. I'm gonna go through each of these to help you figure out which one is right for you. Nectar is also an affordable brand, but be sure to check the YouTube description down below for any deals and discounts. All right, let's get started. Starting at the bottom of the list, but the top of the pile, we've got the Nectar Classic Hybrid. This one comes in at 12 inches tall. It's built with a soft cooling cover, then an inch of memory foam that molds to your body and takes pressure off your shoulders and hips. Below that is a 2-inch layer of bouncier foam so you don't feel like you're sinking into quicksand. Then 8 inches of individually wrapped coils, and those are what gives you that springy feel and helps keep air moving throughout the mattress. Then there's finally a 1-inch base layer to hold everything together. Here at Sleepopolis, we always use a 1 to 10 firmness scale when determining a mattress's firmness. 1 is super soft and 10 is rock hard. I decided to give the Nectar Classic Hybrid a 6.5 out of 10, which is actually the industry standard and classified as medium firm. That's actually the most common firmness people go for, and this is a great fit for back sleepers over 130 pounds and side sleepers who don't have major joint issues. It also runs cool, which is a bonus if you tend to overheat at night. At around $800 for a queen, it's the most affordable hybrid in the Nectar lineup with solid value. Moving on up the ladder and down this pile, we've got the Nectar Premier Hybrid. The Premier sets it up 13 inches and adds thicker foam layers on top, giving it a more cushioned cloud-like feel. Nectar claims it delivers about 60% more cooling than the Classic, which is a pretty big jump. The coil system stays the same, but the extra foam on top makes a noticeable difference in how the mattress feels when you first lie down. I rated the Premier a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, which is just a bit softer than the Classic, but it's still got that medium feel. This one is a sweet spot for side sleepers who want a little more cushioning under their hips and shoulders. And for couples, it does a great job of absorbing movement, so you don't feel your partner tossing and turning. A queen will cost you around $1,100. Next up, we've got the Nectar Luxe Hybrid. The Luxe comes in at 14 inches, and this is where things start to feel genuinely premium. You get plush memory foam up top for deep sink-in comfort, followed by 2 inches of responsive foam for a little lift. The 8-inch coil layer keeps air flowing and gives the edges solid support so you're not rolling off the sides. The whole bed is designed to feel indulgent, like a really nice, luxurious bed. I gave the Luxe a 5.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a noticeably softer mattress. If you're a side sleeper, a hot sleeper, or you just love that plush sink into the bed feeling, this is your mattress. Just know that if you're a heavier back or stomach sleeper, the softness might not give you quite enough support. A queen is priced around $1,600. And last but not least, we have the fanciest and most luxurious mattress on this list, the Ultra. The Ultra checks in at 15 inches, which is the tallest of the 4 mattresses on this list. Compared to the Classic, it has 4 times more contouring foam and 4 times more cooling fibers, plus a phase change material layer. It's basically just a fancy way of saying that the mattress actively absorbs heat when you get warm and it releases when you cool down. It also has a zone support layer, meaning different parts of the mattress are firmer or softer depending on what your body needs, so there's more give under your shoulders and more support under your hips and back. And on the same firmness scale as the other 3, I decided to give this mattress a 5 out of 10. It's definitely more of that slow-moving sinking in feeling, like this. This is the move for lightweight side sleepers weighing under 130 pounds, hot sleepers, or anyone who just wants a luxurious mattress. This is a feature-packed hybrid that Nectar makes, but without the 4-figure price tag of some competitors. A queen will cost you around $2,100. Now, you know about the price of all 4 of these mattresses, but what do they come with? Well, every single Nectar hybrid comes with a 365-night sleep trial, which is a full year to decide if you even like it. They also back all of their mattresses with a forever warranty, and you get free shipping and free returns. All 4 mattresses arrived compressed in a box, so they're easy to get into your home, but just grab a friend to help you move it into the bedroom and maybe unbox it. And to be on the safe side, we do have a video on our channel of how to properly unbox a mattress so you're not doing it like this. All right, let's wrap this video up and go through all 4 mattresses to help you figure out which one is right for you. I would say go with the Classic if you're on a budget and just want a reliable medium firm mattress, especially if you sleep on your back. Choose the Premier if you sleep on your side and want more pressure relief, or if you share the bed and need good motion isolation. Pick the Luxe if you love a soft, plush feel and want something that sleeps genuinely cool. And if you want the full luxury experience, maximum cooling, maximum cushion, all the bells and whistles, the Ultra is your pick. Personally, as a lightweight side sleeper, I like the Premier or the Luxe. Well guys, now I have to take all of these down. But that's all I've got for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye.